Hi guys, this is Wayfire, right? Another desktop on Wayland. And what I've done is, well, first of all, maybe watch the video 4171. 4171 is recording Hyperland. We are on Wayfire, and what I've done is I've used the ArcoNet, and this is the XDs, meaning those are the desktops with X session, and those are the one from Wayland, Wayfire, right? That's the only thing that's on this machine, Hyperland and Wayfire. Tip of the day, Arco Plasma has the possibility to install Wayland as extra. They're all Wayland, so why not combine Plasma with Hyperland with Wayfire? In this case, I started with ArcoNet. Et voilà, we have now Wayfire. So again, watch the video 4171 to get more detail, but just wanted to show you that yes, everything is working on this end as well. And a Ctrl-Alt-T and a Super F, Super. I have the separate keypad on the right in my keyboard, Super 7, and that is 9, 6, 3, 2, 1, 4, 7, 8, 5, right? But you can drag along and just push it to a border somewhere. I have two screens active, so hence it goes to my second screen. But voila, Super Q, Super Shift Q, Super D, Super Escape, Super Shift D, it's all there to launch and play, and a key binding up here, and there's a change the wallpaper kind of, no, sorry, change the waybar kind of thing. But yes, there's also one for the wallpaper. So you want to play around with waybar stuff, it's just a click away, and then you have something else to look at. Fine, right? And back to default at the very bottom there. The wallpaper is nice, but Alt-N is gonna create a new one. Or like create, download, select, voila. This is variety working, a little thing up here that says go grab stuff from the internet. And this one is for now the best one, right? You just select and play around with it. So Wayfire is nice, it's beautiful, little fiery thing from time to time when you close things. Yes, it's quickly combinable with Hyperland, as you see, and also with Plasma. So have fun learning about Wayfire. You know where to go, ArcoLinux Wiki, and then Wayfire and arcolinux.com, and go for the Wayland selection in the menu, and you'll find Wayfire. All right, enjoy.